Eazl.
Okay, let's demo our prompt. I'm first going to copy the prompt to my clipboard. Then I'm going to go to an AI model and paste in the prompt and add one of the test submissions from the study guide, and then I'll generate. Okay, here's the result. Looks good. Now I'll try this with another test submission. Looks good. Okay, so at scale, you might set up a system that would integrate this prompt into a business system through computer code, or use some application that enables you to process lots of warranty claims at once. Okay, now let's get you your prompt engineering certificate.